I have a big passion when it comes to marketing, and I also love sports. So I wanted to tie both of those concepts together and try to work with the Columbus State Athletics. It wasn't paid, the internship wasn't paid. I didn't do too many hours. I would say maybe like altogether like 36. One of my main duty was to increase attendance at the soccer games. So what we would do is think of concepts and strategies to bring more students out to the games. In my marketing classes, one of the things I learned was basically make sure you have good customer service, and how that ties into the internship. I was making sure that students were comfortable at the games, make sure they had rally towels. A rally towel is basically, it's a towel that has your team logo on it. During the games, you want to keep the crowd pumped or whatever, so what they'll do is swing the rally towels around at the game. It really changes the flow of the game, because I feel like once the players see everybody rallying up and getting pumped, they'll get pumped, and you know what I'm saying, increase their adrenaline or whatever, and hopefully we win the game after that. In classes, I just learned to make sure that the customer, in this case the fans, were comfortable and had a great experience at the game. My main benefit was basically getting more knowledge about public relations and networking with other businesses. You learn a lot, you know what I'm saying? Once you pick a major in college, practice and have experience before you graduate. So when you're out in the real world, you can put something on your resume that you're proud of. So in 5 years, I'll definitely be working with a sports team. Hopefully a major league team or a professional team. I'm trying to be a marketing director or working with public relations.